What's up guys, it's here. Today we're just gonna basically get classic cars and race against each other. Since we kinda broke, yesterday was a Father's Day, so hope you guys enjoy it. I'm joined by a gamer in your screen, so peace out.
So guys, no. Okay, this is not the classic horse we're going to take.
This
Let's go,
isn't
yeah.
even a classic car.
Yeah. Okay. So today we're going to get some classic cars. I think I have one. I'm going to get that. I don't know about ZDU.
I already have one as well. Since I'm kind of broke, I don't have enough money to buy a new one
Yeah, me too.
anyways.
Sorry guys, today's no hypercars.
I guess. Um, okay, I'm not a.
Hmm.
Uh,
I have trouble to find my cars in the hush screen.
well, I just went to the catalog and just get it from there. Uh,
Cadillac?
like basically menu.
Oh yeah. Oh, I have. Oh, this is nice classic car too, but I have the older one.
So guys, I'm gonna get this. And I'm just gonna basically modify it, and we'll see how it goes on, and
Yeah.
just basically just see. Let's see.
I'm outside. I hope we don't see each other.
No, I didn't even went outside. I'm just basically gonna customize it now.
Started out with half and I flipped it in a double. Started out with half and I flipped it in a double.
Said I'm again, we gotta go. Take one, then I dash away from Popo.
Yeah.
Snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get Coco. Smoke on Reggie, that's a no-no. Driving slow-mo in the photo. Bitches ready for them photos.
I see other things on my mind.
This is, I think, Camaro? No, what is it? Oh, it's Dodge. Okay.
Hi, man.
Wait, what is it? Wait, what? Is this... Po- wait. Chevrolet?
Yes.
Okay.
you like it? I try to
Yeah.
go kind of like with the hood, I guess.
No, I'm classic look with the pink color and the red interior. You know, the classic old days back then.
Kinda, yeah. My
Look,
wheels
I
are.
I even cover my back car.
Yeah, I didn't have that.
And I put the wheel on the trunk.
Nice man. It looks
The
pretty
old classic. Wait, my car is 4 door.
good. Yeah,
I
same
didn't-
as well. Mine is 4 door as well.
Yeah, but look how tiny is it.
No, oh, that's because it's two side doors.
Yeah, it's suicide doors.
I,
Okay.
Mine looks like kind of drag build,
Yeah, I was going to say that.
but trust me, this is the classiest the things that I could found. Especially those wheels. I guess mine. Look at my wheel, just. And I
Okay.
can't change the color, neither the size, or neither that I could change the caliper colors.
Nah, you don't need. Look what I did with my caliber because I don't know what color do I put.
I don't
I
want to
just
see it.
I just put the same color on my body work. I mean body color. Okay,
I guess.
guys, there is a pool in the right corner or the left corner. I don't know. Just say who's more classically, the Chevrolet or the Cadillac. I'm going to have a sweet ride in my Cadillac. Let's go to the drag race.
I see you guys in drag race.
So guys, here we are.
Yeah.
But can everyone just give a moment the engine sound? Just
Yeah, both
just
of us it
don't
sounds
let-
great.
yeah, just no, hear the engine sound.
I'm trying.
Point your camera in the front of the car and Yeah. That cracks. Do you hear that cracks? Okay, okay, let's go. You ready?
Alright, wait. You wanna just do a full burnout?
Wait, wait. I have
Oh,
some.
performance. We didn't talk about the
Yeah, yeah.
performance one.
But I have something in front of my bumper. It's like outside. We're going to point like from there.
Of course not.
I mean, no,
Those
no, no. It's classic, man. We can do anything. It's like that.
that
Okay.
looks way too tacky, but let's go.
Okay, performance.
Come
You
on, don't
suck this time.
disappoint me. Performance. Top speed 226.
-7.
Oof, oof. How much horsepower?
1044.
Oof, man. I have 938.
Listen, this horsepower is going to fool me. I'm going to lose because of that. Torque, too much torque. What about 0 to 60?
Oh, you go start this one.
2.57.
Oof. Okay, 2.5.
Oh.
Quarter mile.
Oh, sorry, 2.67. I
Oh.
said right, yes? Yeah. Mine is 9.8.
9.8, 9.43.
I said you my horsepower is going to. Ah, damn it. I mean, still, I'm going to have a comfortable drive, sweet drive,
uh,
like a dream.
wait. Oh, you know when my lights go out, something just pops down and it goes full chrome in front of me.
Yeah, I'm looking. Nothing.
Yeah, but a light. I don't know how to turn off the lights. I think it's automatic.
Yeah. Okay, ready?
Yeah, grab it out. Like,
Man, mine has too much torque. Okay.
one.
1, 2, 3. Nice
I
reaction.
lost so much traction there.
Yeah, me too. Still, I'm comfortable and I'm driving like.
You're actually coming back. Or
Am
no?
I?
Never mind.
No. Now I'm doing because it's too late. Damn it.
Wow, we just destroyed them.
Yeah.
Look what happened to my friend. Oh.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
Your wheel is off. Wait.
Wait, what?
Your wheel now has a camber. Really camber.
Oh yeah, kinda in the right one, yes.
Yeah.
We have to fix this.
Let's yeah. Now
You ready?
just rev it out. Now not completely.
Nitros,
Yeah.
long.
From 25.
No, come on.
From 60.
100.
100. 1, 2, 3. Wow, I didn't even say 20. It just
I
came
jump
out.
started. Okay.
Okay, no worries. Oh, I forgot the nitrous.
That's good for you because you're going to pass me right now. Yeah.
This car's quarter mile is actually really good. 9.43, that's... Oh wow. Did you use nitrous?
Yes!
Yeah! You used nitrous for the second time!
Yes!
What, man?
1-1. 1-1.
I forgot to use the second one.
I don't care. 1-1.
I
Oh my
found this
God.
count.
Break face. Look, my car. What happened?
Look my front now, the lights start
Wait.
off.
I hit front. Why my back is destroyed?
I don't know.
Are we playing GTA San Andreas or something when you hit front but this is destroyed back? You wasn't thinking about that. Come back.
Look at my front, the grill.
You know what? Your front is down. My front is upward. You see that? Just look close. You see my front end is like
Yeah.
up. It's
Mine
not
is
down.
actually down.
Yeah, because your track race kinda. I just put the classic thing. Front up, back down.
The only
Cover
thing it's
the-
not classic for me, it's my hood. Come on.
I think it's classic for that. I don't know, man. They use that in the back days.
I mean, yeah, this is the only thing that I could have just find that.
Okay, brake test. Ready? From
Yeah,
100 or is
yeah,
too much?
100's enough.
Okay, let's
Let's
go.
go. Let's just go.
By the way, how much gear do you have?
I don't know, probably 5. If I have 6, I would be really impressed with this. Oh no no no!
Wait, you brake too
Yeah,
late. then.
because
Too
I
soon.
kind of got scared of the train.
Yeah, you brake too soon. Roar 2. Okay, take 2. If actually I knew you're going to bring the Chevrolet, I will go and get the what's the name Charger Hemi RT.
That's we kind of went
67.
for 4 doors car. I could have brought something else against that.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, one. I just go.
So what year is that car?
I think it's 9057.
9057. Mine is 96. Yeah, I think it's the same year.
Yeah, something is like around there. Oh, that was
No.
so close.
No.
This is my first video that I won my brake test. Let's
Okay.
go.
It's 2-1. Let's go to street race.
I don't know how we're gonna street race with this kind of boat.
I mean, it's not. The handling is not bad.
These cars are made to go straight.
No, my car is made to go trips. You know that? With the girls in the set. Okay, never mind. Let's go.
That's good. So guys, this is like there's gonna be a lot of corners and we're gonna do it in the first person. I
Look,
don't know how's that gonna turn out.
I don't care if I win or not. I am so comfortable in this car, okay? That's matter. Because
And
this
we're
car
going
is
again.
or
It's so comfortable and drifts away.
yeah.
Oh my god. Are you seeing me? Oh.
I'm looking my Chrome inside and I'm driving.
I don't think any of us is gonna win since we're both slick. Oh
You
my
know-
god.
I can't even go to corners because
Same,
I'm
same man, same.
I mean, your car have to be speedy. I can
Man,
go. I can go slow.
I'm
comfortable.
drifting.
Yeah, me too. Guys, a Cadillac built for comfortable front in America. So I'm
Like,
going
yeah,
to
it's a
drive.
luxurious car, I guess you can say that.
Yeah, I'm going to drive like that. I don't need that speedy things. And I don't care if I win or not because I can't. It's drifting. Man, there's too much corner.
Man, we. Oh no, I missed the checkpoint.
Guys, in the corners I can't go above, I mean, not more than 16. I will spin out. What are you doing?
I try to, I missed the checkpoint while drifting. Oh my god, my Wii is spinning out. Way too much, man. This is all rear-wheel
There's
drive,
no,
right?
listen, yes, sir. There is no more space in my speedometer to go.
Yeah, same, man. Careful, big one.
You're drifting, you know that?
Yeah, I know.
You gotta go faster, or all the other mechanics will
I'm
laugh at
going
you.
classy, like slow and classy, like comfortable. In the trip, I mean, in the mountain roads.
Yeah, this is, guys, if you have a car like this, don't use it on the mountains, please. I want you guys to live.
I mean, if you're going to You want a comfortable ride, you can get the Cadillac,
Oh
but you
my
have to
god,
go
man, this
slow.
one is, it's spinning out way too much.
I think if Dodge even don't spin that much.
Maybe not even.
I mean, in the real life it has to do, but in the game, it's going to crash.
I'm actually going slow as possible.
Yeah, I'm not even. I'm.
You say
I'm
your
just
speed
scratching
doesn't,
paper.
your speedometer doesn't even have space for your speed, so you're not going that slow.
Maybe. I'm going like 80. I'm enjoying these rockets, okay? Roads, mountain,
By the way,
view.
oh wait, inside of me, I didn't check, guys. There's a gold plating on my steering wheel.
Okay.
Or do you think it's completely gold? Because I don't think.
Maybe in 80s, I mean 80s, 90s, 70s. No, actually, I think mine is 1967.
We will check after the whole thing.
Yeah. And I have the cigarette thing. To
I
fire
don't.
up.
Oh, I think I have the cigarette thing as well.
Okay, next race. Please, no corners in the next one.
This one has just
3,
few corners, few.
2,
Guys, the Cadillac rules has not been changed. Go and just have a fun, just nice ride in the way, in the first place.
This is first corner. That's it, and one more corner.
And I spawned spin up again.
Guys, this thing, it's impossible to turn. Like, no. If there's a real corner, I would just probably spin out. Like the other race, I just spin out the whole race.
If you see I spin up in the race again.
I did see that, man. The first thing.
In this, I'm feeling bad who we're going to crash them because this car is real still.
I mean, the thing is, I don't think even if we crash, we won't die because the steel is way too thick.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
But
saying
like, think about it.
I feel bad about that guy we're going to crash into him because you're going to get destroyed. Like me, I'm spinning out again. It just was a little corner. Okay, say it.
If we have this engine on a newer car, don't you think we would have better performance?
I can say anything, I don't know.
Because think about it, this one is just thick. Imagine putting on something lighter and having this much horsepower.
Yeah, but you need to balance it because the engine is heavy on these things.
Yeah,
It's
or
a
you
heavy
might go
V8.
flying.
No, you not fly because the what's the name? The heavy spot is the front, but it's a heavy V8, so you need something to balance behind.
But there's something else. Do you think in real life this engines would actually hold up this much horsepower?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah, same. I don't think so.
Maybe Chevrolet do, but the Cadillac, I don't know.
But guys, no, like even Chevrolet, this is made in 1956 or something. I don't think it would hold up anything
No,
close.
there is some engines the Chevrolet has. It's so powerful. I mean, it may break something, but it's so powerful, so it can hold more than 1,000 horsepower. But it's not it's not like a 2GS engine.
2JZ or something. Yeah.
Yeah, because it's not.
Not
what's
like.
the name? It breaks soon. That's my opinion, guys. I don't know. If you know something, just comment.
Yeah, I guess I could see what you're talking about. But back in the day, no one even needed that much horsepower. They just.
I mean, yeah.
Even on like for classic cars like this, they didn't need that. They were just for comfortable rides, for long drives and stuff.
Like me in the Cadillac.
Yeah, but I think no one even went. Oh no, no one even went 100 on a car like yours, or neither mine maybe.
I can't say anything.
Yeah, but I'm just saying my opinion.
I mean, the life is now is more faster. You have to look that. Everything is faster now.
Of course, because progress and stuff.
Technology. In the back, in the days, if you have to send email to someone, not me, just my mail.
Just a letter email.
Yeah, it will take like 5 months, 4 months.
Now it's not even 1 second.
Yeah. Nowadays it's like 1 second. If the person is online, who you say things.
Yeah, what's on? GG boys, this drag monster won the race.
Yeah, because I spent out in the starting. Man, I don't care, I say. I don't care if I'm going to win or not. I have a comfortable, like sweet, like a dream ride in back to the, the race. Yeah, I spent like 1 or 2 times.
It was pretty fun though.
Yeah.
And we were kind of poor in this video.
Yeah.
So. Comment down below what video do you guys want it next one to be.
If you have something you want to see, just comment it. And don't forget to pull who's the most classic looking car.
Yeah, guys, just vote which one looks, I guess, more classic. I'm gonna go with his one, of course. Because mine just looks like a drag type of thing in front because of the hood.
Yeah. I leave it stuck, you know?
Yeah, the rest is stock, but my head is... Yeah.
Okay guys, we're going to leave the video here.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like and, share with your friends.
I was Gamer in your screen, and I was a wheat.
And I was Ziggy, so peace out, Boy Scout.